Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia Howard. How are you doing today? In today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make a healthy, yummy strawberry pancake. And to make this healthy, yummy strawberry pancake, I will be using a couple of ingredients which are loaded with a lot of nutrients, vitamins, antioxidants that can help us to lose weight and also to stay healthy. The couple of ingredients I will be using for today's pancake are I have strawberries, I have egg, I have flour, I will be adding honey, I'll be adding powdered milk, and I will be using liquid milk and order some seasoning. So the first thing I'm going to do now is to wash the strawberry and to blend the strawberry. So I have the strawberry in the blender and I will be blending this with couple of eggs that I will be using to make this pancake. Oh yes. So now the next thing I'm going to do is to add the honey. You can actually substitute this with sugar, but I think honey is much more healthy. So now we're going to blend this strawberry with the egg and this is ready. So now I'm going to pour this wet mixed solution into the bowl. Then I will be adding flour into the mixture, the strawberry and the egg. And now I'm going to make sure I mix this very well so that the pancake batter can be fluffy. Oh yes. So another thing I added was the powdered milk, and I will mix this very well to make sure that the batter is soft and fluffy. So now I'll be adding a glass cup of liquid milk. Oh yes. This is all to make it fluffy and to make sure that the pancake batter is good and soft. So now this is ready. Can you see the thickness? Very fluffy, soft. And now this is ready. So the next thing I am going to do now is to prepare this pancake. You want to make sure that you mix this very well. So I'll be spraying the frying pan with the olive spray oil. So now I am just going to spray this. Then I will be adding the pancake batter, and this yummy pancake will be ready.